guys, Brendan back here at the Canucks liquor store. Today we're going to be making a Bloody Mary using some New Amsterdam vodka that you can't find here. Once again, any of the other vodka on the shelf here, feel free, it'll work well. Before we get started on the drink, I wanted to go over some of our ingredients and the barware that we're going to need to make the Bloody Mary. So if you guys just want to come in closer, we're starting off, we have our drink, our glass that we're going to use, shaker, vodka, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire. If you know how to pronounce it, just leave us a comment below, please. Our hot sauce, lemon juice, we have a little bit of tomato juice as well, and then kind of our spices here, so salt and pepper, celery salt for rimming the glass, and then fennel seeds as well are going to be required to make this drink. So quite a bit going on in this drink. Let's get to making it. Okay. Now it's time for the fun part, making the actual drink. So before we get to pouring anything, I want to show you guys, just for fun, we're gonna rim our glass here. So you can take a lemon, you can use some of the simple syrup that we used earlier, and we're gonna take our celery salt here, and on the cutting board or on a plate or anything, and just kind of rim that glass. Make it nice, pretty easy. You get all the sides there. Perfect. And then we're going to be filling our glass here with ice. Oops. Might need a little bit more ice there. And our garnish of a lemon wedge. Perfect. Now that our glass is all nice, let's get to pouring the drink. So, in our shaker half filled with ice, we're going to start with our tomato juice. Just under an ounce of tomato juice in there. Next is our vodka. We have 1.5 ounces here. So 1 and half. And 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And there we are, all in our shaker. Now we're going to blend this. So make sure that you screw your top on well. Make sure that none's going to get out. Blend it, shake. Take our nice glass here that we have ready. We're going to pour that in. Now, if you like, the drink can be done right here. Or, if you like a little bit of spice, a little bit more body towards the drink, we're going to start with our Worcestershire. Once again, if you can pronounce that properly or teach me how to pronounce it, please leave a comment below. A couple shakes there. Our hot sauce, depending on how hot you like it, how spicy, give it a couple shakes or add a little bit more. Then we're going to take our fennel seeds and just a little bit, just for fun. And then a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt and pepper. Oops. A little bit of salt, not too much. And then with this, we're just going to give it a nice little stir. Once again, kind of combine those ingredients. And that's pretty much it. That's the Bloody Mary right there. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Make sure that you check out all the content on that page. And if you try any of your creations and you want to share them with us, tag Edmonton Garrison PSP. See you guys.